Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to clean a Dimplex electric fireplace. This video will take you through a step-by-step guide for cleaning your Dimplex electric fireplace. Keep watching until the end to learn this and more. First, disconnect the Dimplex electric fireplace from the power source. Allow it to cool down completely to protect yourself from burns or any other electrical hazard during cleaning. Remove the log set and set it aside. Second, dust the air vents and the exterior parts. Use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment to dust the air vents and the exterior parts so as to maintain optimal airflow and functionality. You can also use a damp cloth to wipe down the mantle surface, but ensure you thoroughly dry it with a lint-free cloth. Third, clean the filter. Carefully remove the filter on your Dimplex electric fireplace. Then use a soft brush or vacuum cleaner to remove debris and dust from the filter surface. If there are hard to reach or stubborn dirt particles in the filter mesh, use compressed air to blow them out. Do not use water or liquid detergents to clean the filter. After cleaning, securely reattach the filter to its position. Fourth, clean the interior parts of the fireplace. Using a lint-free cloth, carefully wipe any dust or dirt from the surfaces inside the fireplace. You can also mix a mild detergent with water to remove stubborn spots from the surfaces, but ensure they are completely dry before turning on the fireplace. Fifth, clean the front glass. Apply a non-ammonia-based glass cleaner to a lint-free cloth and then use it to gently wipe down both sides of the glass on your fireplace. It's advisable not to spray the glass cleaner directly to the glass so as to avoid smudges and streaks. Sixth, check the fireplace for functionality. After cleaning your Dimplex electric fireplace, ensure it is in good working condition. Replace any faulty light bulbs or wiring. Once everything is completely dry, replace the log set and plug in your fireplace to the power source. So there you have it. The Dimplex electric fireplace collects dirt, dust, or limescale over time, which can affect its functionality and overall aesthetics. Luckily, you can follow these steps to regularly clean it so that it can effectively keep your home warm and cozy whenever you need it. Feel free to like, share, and comment on this video. Till next time.